Have you ever wondered how your skincare routine impacts not just your skin but also the environment? It's a question on many minds as we navigate the complex world of beauty and sustainability. The key lies in sustainable skincare products, like palm oil. Yes, palm oil. Despite its bad reputation stemming from harmful, unsustainable practices, it's not all doom and gloom. But what if we told you that not all palm oil is created equal? Unsustainable palm oil production indeed poses environmental issues. However, there's a different side to this story. Picture palm oil production, but with a twist. This twist is sustainability. Sustainable palm oil is produced under stringent standards set out to protect our environment. The Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil, or RSPO, plays a key role here. They have a certification system ensuring palm oil is produced in a way that's eco-friendly. Now, why sustainable palm oil, you ask? Well, compared to other oils, palm oil has a higher yield per hectare. This means we get more oil from less land, which is a win for our precious environment. But it's not just about protecting the environment. Sustainable palm oil also offers a wealth of benefits for our skin. Its unique composition makes it a versatile ingredient in many skincare products. So, sustainable palm oil not only helps protect our environment, but also provides numerous benefits for our skin. Now let's delve into how sustainable palm oil can revolutionize your skincare routine. Imagine a skincare ingredient that not only pampers your skin, but also respects our planet. That's sustainable palm oil for you. Its moisturizing properties are unparalleled, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and nourished. With a consistency that's easily absorbed, it doesn't leave behind a greasy residue, making it the perfect moisturizer for all skin types. But the benefits don't stop there. Sustainable palm oil is rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that fights off skin-damaging free radicals. This means it can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. What's more, sustainable palm oil's ability to remove dirt and oil is a game changer. It can cleanse your skin without stripping it of its natural oils, maintaining a healthy balance and preventing dryness or irritation. Incorporating sustainable palm oil into your skincare routine means caring for your skin and the earth simultaneously. So, are you ready to take your skincare routine to the next level? It's time to start incorporating products with sustainable palm oil into your regimen. Look out for the Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil, or RSPO, label on your products. This is a surefire sign that you're supporting an industry that cares about both your skin and our environment. Join the sustainable skincare revolution today. Your skin and our planet will thank you.